Hi everyone, welcome back to McCall's Baker's channel. This week we're going to be making a delicious chocolate ganache cake. To say this cake is elegant would be an understatement. It's worthy of special occasions, but so easy to whip together you can enjoy this any day of the week. We're going to be using baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, mini chocolate chips, and vanilla extract. Cream the butter, sugar, and salt. Sift the remaining dry ingredients, including the cocoa powder. Scrape down the sides of your bowl to ensure all the butter and sugar has been well creamed. Now slowly add the dry ingredients to the butter and sugar mixture and mix well. Add the water. Now for the secret ingredient, sour cream. Oh, and don't forget the vanilla. Remember to always crack your eggs in a separate bowl and not directly into your batter to avoid the possibility of getting any shells in the mixture. Time for more chocolate, the mini chocolate chips that is. Fold them into your batter. If you've never tried the McCall's cake pan release, then you don't know that this is the easiest way to get any cake out of a pan. Using the pastry brush, brush the pans with a light coating of the cake pan release. Here's a tip. Always weigh out your batter to ensure each cake pan has equal volume for even baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and bake for approximately 25 minutes. But remember, all ovens bake differently, so keep an eye out on yours. We need 35% whipped cream or heavy cream and semi-sweet chocolate. Weigh out equal parts of chocolate and cream, ratio 1:1. Now, warm the cream, but don't bring it to a boil. Remove from heat and add chocolate. Continue stirring until chocolate has melted. And set aside to rest. Slice off the crown of the cake if one has formed. You want your cake to be as even as possible. Transfer the ganache to a mixing bowl and using a flat paddle, mix until it's lightened in color. Now, using the whipped ganache, fill your layers. Mask the entire cake with the remaining whipped ganache. The cake needs to be perfectly smooth in order to get a smooth finish. Try using an icing smoother, as I am here. I like using one that's taller than my cake. Transfer the cake to a cooling rack that's been fitted over a jelly pan. You now need to use warm ganache. Pour a steady stream of ganache over your cake, paying attention to the sides and ensuring the ganache runs smoothly down the sides. The jelly pan will catch any drips. If you wish, add a second coat. There is no rule of too much chocolate. Using the McCall's dark candy melts, melt over a double boiler. Remove from heat and using a plastic spatula, dip into the chocolate and draw the spatula onto a sheet of parchment paper to form petals. Repeat this process until you've made enough petals to cover the entire top of the cake and set aside to dry. Now carefully transfer your cake to a cake stand and you're ready to decorate. Let's pipe a bead border with a decorator tip number 12 using the whipped ganache. Carefully peel away each chocolate petal and start to build your topper. Dust the top with a little icing sugar if you wish. Let's add some gold to your cake using the Crispearls in white chocolate and the McCall's Radiant Gold dusting powder. Add a little gold dusting powder to the Crispearls and mix. Then add the gold crisps to the border for a little extra glam. Using the McCall's Marzipan and the McCall's Red Food Gel, add the color and knead well. Start with a rosebud that resembles a cone. Make a small ball and flatten and shape as a rose petal. Marzipan will stick to itself, so build your rose as large as you want. Now finish off your marzipan rose and center it on your cake. Now all you have left to do is tell your guests, yes, I made it from scratch. You can find the complete recipe to this cake along with others at mccalls.ca. We hope you found this video interesting, and if you give it a try, tag us at Love McCall's. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'd love to see your creations. As always, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, give it a thumbs up, a like, leave us a comment, and we'll see you next week with a new video.